Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. I've got my woolly pulley on today. Of course, it's freezing here in the UK. It's like winter's suddenly come back. We're having wintry showers, really cold north winds. So yeah, I've come upstairs to do some filming to try and warm up. I don't know whether it'll work or not. Anyway, these are just a few little bits and pieces that I've got from Amazon that I thought you might like to see. I think one of them's a diamond painting and the rest are all just bits and pieces, but they're all good fun to look at. So what shall we look at first? We'll look in this bag first because I've already opened this one to see what it was. As I've said before, we get quite a few things from Amazon for like hubby's needs and things, so I always have to open the bags to make sure it's not one of hubby's. Yeah, you don't want to be seeing those. Okay, so let us see what we've got. We've got a large flat packet. Okay, we've got ooh, that's different. Ooh, very colourful, very nice. I could do with that nice sunny day today. And then we've got some little red-nosed noses. So I don't know which ones we've got. These are like some random ones that they've brought out this year. Here in the UK, we do have like a charity telethon type thing where we raise money, and this is the Comic Relief one. We tend to have two. We have Comic Relief that's sort of earlier in the year. I don't know whether they're every year or every other year. I don't know. And that raises money for all good causes and things. And then we have Children in Need, which we have tends to be around about November time, I think, and that's with Pudsey Bear. But yeah, this is the 40 years of Comic Relief. I do remember not long after it started, I'd gone for a weekend in London to see a show, and we were around Piccadilly Circus. That's the one where the Eros statue is, and they were doing all the promotional photo shoots for the Comic Relief, and there was all the stars there, and we got to see loads and loads of different stars, and I didn't have a camera with me. But it was good fun to see. So we always like to support Red Nose Day. Originally, they did just used to have just plain red noses and everybody bought red noses. But now we have different ones. Oh, so this one's just a plain one. That's fine. So, yep, we like to have these. I do like the boxes. They're pretty good. And scan here for a surprise. So I might have a look at that later. So we've got one red nose. So let's see what the other one is, see if we've got a different one. Oh, this is a different one. There you are, we've got a little man. So yeah, I don't know whether there's quite a few to collect, but I just tend to each year get one for me and hubby. And we have a bit of fun, take a few photographs and do a few different bits and pieces. So yeah, that one's quite funny. It's like a dinosaur, isn't he? He's like a triceratops. He's got like a... Oh, unless he's a cupcake. Maybe he's a cupcake. A cupcake with feet on. Oh, imagine if you were eating a cupcake and it sprouted legs and ran off. Ah, how fast can you run? So that's those two. So as I say, not diamond painting related, but for a good cause and a bit of fun. And then this, I know what this is. Of course, this is Millie's thing. I didn't think she'd like a red nose, to be fair. But we do like her to join in. So this is a polka dot bandana. So, oh. I was expecting it to come out together, but it hasn't. Oh, it's nice and silky. Very nice and silky. So look at that. So yeah, Millie has got a bandana. Oh, it's quite big actually. I may have got the too big one. Albeit it's one of those that's supposed to go through the collar. But Millie doesn't really wear a collar, so I think getting the bigger one might have been better, because I can probably just tie it around her neck and she can go cowboy style look and just have it around her neck. But that is very, very nice, very pretty. So that's a little bit of Red Nose Day Comic Relief. So yeah, people get up to all sorts of funny things and do all sorts. Oh, and they're two very nice pieces of card. Says the crafter coming out in me. very nice red card. I think I shall be using those in some crafting in some way, so they won't be going in the recycle bin. I do think that this then must be the diamond painting, which has come very nicely packaged. Right, let's have a look at this one then. Oh, and it's a bag in a bag. How strange. Fancy putting it in this lovely packaging. Does it say anything on it? No. No, it's just got the little things on it. So yeah, that's a very nice bag. Very sunny. Okay. Right, let's see. Oh, let me get my squizzers. Oh, the orange ones have come out today. I ought not to be using these really, but all my scissors do need sharpening, so that's okay. I would not be happy if somebody else was using my paper crafting scissors for opening packages. Oh, let's see. Right. Okie doke. So we're all crystals. Oh, this isn't what I was expecting. Oh, heck. Okay, so pen boat and quite a big piece of wax. Oh, goodness. Silly Liz. That's a very thin chain. Oh, I haven't had a bad chain like that for a long time. Look at that. It's so thin, it's knotted itself up. That's not very good, is it? And it's just the basic lobster claw clasps on the end. But, yeah, that's not... That'll take some twisting and untangling. Okay. But, yeah, I thought it was a piece of string. And I thought we had these all separate hanging. So I thought I was going to get 4 separate dogs hanging from a string so I could hang them or hang them wherever. And obviously it's a lot smaller than I expected as well. So hey ho. But I mean, it's cute, but it's not what I thought. I thought it was honestly something a little bit different to this. So this may go back. Yeah, I did send the lantern thing back, the lantern hanging diamond painting that had the wrong piece in it. Yeah, I did send that back, and I've had the refund for that, so that's fine. I haven't ordered another one. I thought, oh, well, I'll leave it for now. But I'm trying to think how much this was. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, because it was different, I thought, oh, I'll get that. I've not seen one of those before. But hey ho, you live and learn. Oh goodness, they've done a Timo on me. Right, I'm not going to open the crystals then, because yeah, I think you can see they're all just standard crystals. I don't even think we've got any specials in there. Very pretty, very nice, very sparkly. But yeah, yeah, I think I am going to send this back because it is Christmas. I've got a lot of Christmas ones. If it had Scotty Dog on it, then definitely I would have kept it anyway. But because it's dogs, well, what have we got? That's like, well, I don't know. It's just a random cartoony type dog. That's a Schnauzer, that's a Poodle, and that's the little Laceraptor or a Shih Tzu, I think. So yeah, yeah, I'm going to send this back, because it's just not what I expected. At least it's arrived in one piece, and I do like the packaging, but that is a very, very cheap chain. Not that I particularly use the chains anyway, but yeah. Okay, oh well, never mind. Oh dear. Going to be a quicker unboxing than I was expecting. Right, let's have a look at this. This is another bit of fun. You know me, I do like my fun. This has taken quite a while to come, because it's come direct from the manufacturer rather than from Amazon, so it hasn't come on like an Amazon Prime. So I waited for this to come so that I could open them all at once, because I ordered them all together. Oh, and I think you can see what they are. We're coming up to Easter, so I've got a couple of Easter bunnies with different bits and pieces on. I do like to get these. I tend to give them away once I've done a few photo bits and pieces with them. Poor Millie tends to be the recipient of most of the attention with these, but I just thought these were really different. Look, they've got all little bunnies. So that one's just got a bit bent. I'll have to probably just use a little bit of heat, maybe just from the hot hairdryer or something, and just try and straighten that a bit. But yeah, I just thought these were a little bit different. I wonder why we've got... That's really strange. Were they supposed to be on the spikes so that they're boying? I don't know. The springs, I mean spikes. The springs, Liz. That's a bit strange, a bit random, but anyway. Okay, but they're nicely covered little headbands, and I just thought they were a bit of fun. We can all look like bunnies. What's that? Oh, it's a carrot. Oh, I see. I'm thinking that's a funny looking bunny. That must have been a misprint, but no, look, it's a carrot. Yay, so we've got carrots and bunnies. So, yeah, they just need fuffing up a bit. So we got the purple one, and then I got the silver one. They've both got their ears bent slightly. It must be just the way they put them in the packaging. So this one's got all these like candy stripes on it, which is quite nice. And then we've just got little chicks popping up. A purple chick. Oh, and a green and peach chick. And, oh, yellow and blue chick. Oh, we've got a couple of... Oh, look, we've got a couple of extra bunnies. We've got some escapees. Oh, no, it's a bunny and a carrot. They must have escaped off that one. Oh, dear. And they've got the springs. I suppose it's to fasten them to make them look as though they do boying a bit. You'd usually think that they'd be actually over the top of the springs so they'd boying a bit better. But anyway, never mind. You get what you pay for. And they are just a bit of fun. It's not like something that's going to be a family heirloom or anything. So, but yeah, so we've got a bit of dressing up to do. Oh, quite like that. I could either stick it onto that one or I could use it on something else. So we've got a bunny and a carrot. Oh, look, somebody's had a bit of a nibble out the carrot. It's got a bit missing there. The bunny must have been hungry while it was in there with the chicks. Yeah, I don't think chicks eat carrots. Or maybe they do, you never know. And, oh, we've got a tulip down here. Oh, right, we've got a tulip hanging. So there's all sorts on this. Oh, there's another one there, look. Okay, oh, and there's an upside down chick there, look, a blue one. So, yeah, they're just a bit of fun, and I just saw them and I thought, oh, you know me, big kid, got to get them. So, yeah, it's Comic Relief. So, yeah, it's given me a bit of a giggle as well. I hope it's given you a bit of a giggle too. So, we've got Millie's bandana there, look. A little red-nosed day one, all with her red-nosed polka dots on. We got... Yeah, I think I am going to send that back because I think for the money that I paid, I could get a better one elsewhere for the money. Very sad. Talking of that, if anybody sees, I'll put it on the screen. This one, it's like a little sausage dog, a dachshund, and you diamond paint all its little accessories to put on it. I presume it's a magnet or something. And I saw it, somebody had put it from, I think it was Canada, Amazon Canada. It's no longer on the website anymore, so I'm pleased I took a screenshot, otherwise I'd have thought I'd have dreamt it. And you couldn't have it delivered to the UK. It was in stock when I looked, and you couldn't have it delivered to the UK. And I've not managed to find it anywhere else. So if anybody does see this set anywhere else, can you let me know? Send me a link. Be much appreciated. Yeah, anyway, I digress. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. It's just been a very quick video with a little bit of fun as usual. So if you have enjoyed looking at these, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. Take care, everyone.